Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Beard, and today I'm making my video outside because it's a lovely morning. So I wanted to review a little bit of our lesson from yesterday. We made a Twirlybird system. And we've been talking a lot about systems in science. And remember, systems are parts that work together to do something. So when I'm looking at the parts of my Twirlybird, my standard Twirlybird, I've got the body, the paper clip, which is kind of the weight that helps to pull it down, and the wings. And all of those work together to make it fly. We also talked about, actually, before we move forward, I forgot in my last lesson to talk about the forces. Hopefully your teacher talked to you a little bit about the forces that work with a Twirlybird. So when I'm holding my Twirlybird up right now, some of the forces that I know are working are gravity, even though I can't see it and it's not moving right now. That's because the other force of my hand holding it is keeping those forces balanced, so there's no motion. But when I let go of my Twirlybird, hopefully you guys can see this. Maybe if I do it out here. There's some more forces we can see. You can see gravity pulling the Twirlybird down. And there's another force that's tricky to see, but we know it's there. There's something pushing up on the wings. And that force is actually air. The air is pushing up on the wings as gravity is pulling it down, and that's what causes the Twirlybird to twirl. So now let's get back to our regular scheduled program here. We also made two different kinds. You should have made a standard Twirlybird that looks like this and a variable Twirlybird. I chose to bring my Twirlybird that has extra paper clips on the bottom. So I've got two. Remember, the standard Twirlybird is the original. This is kind of what we compare our other Twirlybirds to. And the variable Twirlybird is when we change something about it, and then we can compare it to see if the motion changes or if it reacts differently. So we talked about different variables we could change. And the one other thing I want to talk to you about is how we can also change the environment as a variable, which is why I'm outside today. So today we are going to change the environment of our Twirlybirds, our Twirlybird experiment, and see if we get a different outcome. Go to the next slide to learn some more.